Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Gold, sweet gold. We've got a trading plan for this commodity asset presented by Dimitrios Tsipras. With the movement of gold prices on the 4-hour chart, moving above the WMA21 with a slope that is going upwards, gold in the near future has the potential to go to the level of 3365.45. If this level is successfully broken and closes above it, gold has the potential to continue strengthening again to the level of 3385.93. And if the momentum of strengthening and volatility is supported, gold will go to the level of 3437.64. But with the appearance of divergence between the price movement and the stochastic oscillator indicator, there is the potential for a weakening correction in the near future. But as long as it does not broken and close below the level of 3278.74, the weakening is only a temporary correction and gold will strengthen again until it returns. And we're starting with pound sterling dollar pair with thin low. On the hourly chart, the GBPUSD pair continued to rise on Monday from 161% Fibonacci retracement level at 1.3520. However, in the middle of the day, the news broke that the new escalation of the trade war had been called off, prompting bulls to retreat slightly from the market. Still, they did not go so far. The pound remains above the 35.20 level. A minor decline in the pair is possible, but only a close below 35.20 would suggest a potential strengthening of the US dollar toward the 34.25 level. The wave structure clearly indicates a bullish trend. The most recent upward wave broke the high of the previous one, while the last completed downward wave failed to break the previous low. It is difficult for bulls to count on further growth without new announcements from Donald Trump regarding the introduction of increase of tariffs. But such announcements did not come to the end of last week. On Monday, it was reported that the tariff hike had been called off for now, but this did not change the overall picture. On the 4-hour chart, the pair has consolidated above the 100 Fibonacci percent level at 1.3435. Therefore, the upward movement may continue toward the next retracement level of 127% at 1.3795. No emergent divergences are visible on any indicators today. The bullish trend remains unquestioned and may persist until there is more clarity about the new global trade environment. As for Trump's dollar, no one seems to care, and no one is trying to save the American currency. That's all for today. Wish you best of luck.